It won't move. This is finally the final video. It's finally running and driving. It was a pain. So that's the culprit right there. When I got the new transfer case, put it in there, and this thing here was turned all the way here, which is neutral. And I move all the way up by hand and it worked. Okay, so I hope you can see that toothless area down there. That's where these toothless here gotta match without moving it. I put some Loctite. And one last thing I like to do is to get a pen and see there, I'm gonna mark like that. So I know if that mark moves, that bolt moves. And I also put the marks here on the transfer case. Everywhere I could reach, there is a mark, just to be safe. Whew. That's it down here. Let's get out of here. Okay, that's normal. You guys ready? Let's see. Let me get the OBD2, put all those things away. A shout out to my friend from Crown Performance. So I asked for help and he sent me a message and say, dude, your transfer case might be in neutral. And I thought he was tripping, like, and I was like, well, I'll try that. Took it out. I got a wrench and turned all the way to the right. And that was two-wheel drive. And yeah, it worked. All right, first attempt to drive this. So everything seems to be working. No noise. I'm scared. Seems to be all right. It brakes. Look, everything is working so far. Low dash. Scared me for a minute. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go for a longer drive. I might take it to the store, I don't know. So that's it, guys. It took me 4 months, I don't even know, probably more, from the time it exploded. There's a long story. There's 3 videos fixing it. The last problem was this one. Again, shout out to Crown Performance. And yeah, I hope this helps someone, you know, if you're having this noise and this kind of stuff. I could barely find anything, so I'm gonna go for a drive and then I'm gonna come back. I can't see anything tonight because it's already dark, even though it's only 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I'm gonna come back and see if my lines are aligned everywhere. Nothing's gonna flip-flop, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and later.